Hey, this is your favorite tech, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to disable driver signatures enforcements. For newer 64-bit versions of Windows, you could probably do Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. They have a signature driver signature that it's basically a security check when you're installing drivers on your computer. So anything that's not signed, those drivers are going to have trouble working. So some people are downloading stuff from sites that are maybe on the gray area, or they're trying to do very unique things where they're using software that doesn't have signed drivers. And this is how to turn it off for you'll be able to use that software or install those drivers. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your start menu. You're going to click on the little power button. You're going to click on it where it shows restart. Now before you click restart, you're going to hold down the shift key and then click restart at the same time. Alright, so it's going to actually start restarting, and it's going to take you to a sub menu. Now when you get to the sub menu, you're going to select troubleshooting, then you're going to click on advanced, then you're going to click on startup settings, and then you're going to click restart. What we're going to do is disable driver signature enforcement. You can see it there. We're going to click restart. Your system's going to start to restart. Okay, now we're trying to disable driver enforcement, so that's the number 7. So you're going to click F7 in order to do that. So number 7 represent F7. Boom, once you click it, it's going to reset your system. So just be patient. Keep in mind, we do tech support. If you need help, we can remote into your computer and help you with your tech problem. Just text the number on the screen or find the number in the description. Also, you can check us out at repairmystuff.net. As always, I'm your favorite tech out. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.